All right, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, good morning everybody. My name is Arthur Mettinger and I have the honor of being the chair of this seminar. Let me welcome you most warmly to our seminar. We will be working very hard today and tomorrow, and I'm glad to have this wonderful mixture of Bologna expert and higher education reform experts at the Oslo seminar. I will start by making a few technical remarks with regard to the organization of this conference, and then I will ask the Vice-rector of University of Oslo to welcome us on behalf of University of Oslo. So just a few technical remarks. You have at the reception, you have received the bag. In the bag there are 3 participant lists for workshops, and there were 2 more that you received at the registration. So you should have 5. You should have 5 lists of participants. The reason is that when you go into the discussion groups, you will be asked to sign in, if I may say so that we can keep track of who has been where. And also please be so kind and go to the sessions that you have registered for, because the capacity of the rooms has been such that the rooms can seat the appropriate number of people, and if you start changing your slots, then it may get difficult. In the program you also find the open space, and I will just briefly ask Andy Gibbs to say a few words on the open space session that is scheduled for tomorrow morning, just right now. Okay, Andy.
Hello, good morning everybody. I'm Andy Gibbs from the UK. Some of you will remember that we created a slot in every seminar called Open Space. And the idea about open space was to use the expertise and the experience that's in this room so that the experts can run a session themselves. And so, of course, the topic for this seminar is modernisation of the curriculum. We have about 7 suggestions already, but we would like to hear some more. Anyone can volunteer to run a session. It could be a discussion, it could be a presentation of some innovative practice. It doesn't need any presentation, it should be spontaneous. And if you would like to make such a presentation, then in the coffee break I'll be standing in a place where anyone can see me, and if you talk to me, then I'll be looking forward to your proposal for a session in open space. So this is your time. Please take advantage of it. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Okay. Thank you very much, Andy. Then also tonight there will be a dinner, and please be aware of the fact that there is no bus or any other transport for the dinner, but outside the Ton Opera Hotel we can meet, and then students will guide us to the place where the dinner is. And also please just check whether you have registered for the dinner. If you for some reason or other have registered and do not want to go, just please cross out your name. If you have not yet registered, please do so, because we want to make sure that everybody has a seat there, and that we don't, on the other hand, have 2 tables with nobody sitting there. Okay. Then also at in the hall there is a help desk with a laptop and a printer, if there is something you feel you want to print out. In your bags there is also a brief survival guide for your stay in Oslo, so that you know how to move around in the city. And Also, I want to remind you already now that there will be an evaluation form that we will distribute tomorrow. Please be so kind as to fill in this evaluation form. Be very open and be very candid when you fill this in, because we want to improve the seminars, and the best way to improve is to take into account what you think and how you find things. So I think then also you find the password for the wireless. Also there are little slips of paper that you can get at the reception if you want to use the wireless. And I think now, after the end or at the end of my technical remarks, before I say just a few words on the topic itself, I would like to ask Doris Jordan, the Vice-rector of University of Oslo, for her speech and presentation.
Thank you very much.